Hello, my car engine light turned on, and the ODB report finds that there's an error code P0158 oxygen sensor circuit high voltage on bank 2 sensor number 2. And according to the diagram for the 2006 Toyota Tundra, the bank 2 is located behind the catalytic converter on the left side. Say here it says bank 2 sensor number 2. So this is a sensor I will need to replace. I purchased the oxygen sensor from AutoZone. This is how it looks like. I also need a special oxygen sensor wrench. The O2 sensor on bank 2, sensor number 2, is located directly behind the passenger front wheel. And here you find the catalytic converter. And on this side, you can see there's a wire and something plugged into the catalytic converter. This is the oxygen sensor number 2 on bank number 2. To get started, first I'm gonna disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. This will prevent any electrical hazard in case there's a short circuit. To disconnect the oxygen sensor, we have to push on this tab little here and then pull. Okay, now this is off. Now we're going to put the wrench on the O2 sensor and twist it off. What is special about this socket is it got a cutout section and you can slice the wire through it. And I'm using a 1/2 inch drive to connect it on the other end. So now I can turn it just like that. It's not seized, luckily. It's not too much effort to undo this. This is how you compare the old oxygen sensor compared with the new oxygen sensor. You can see the color distinction. One is completely black, looks like all rusted and burned up, and the other one is copper looking. Now placing the new sensor into the catalytic converter. Plug in the connector. Hear that click? All right, that's all to it. The dealership in California wanted an inspection done for $250 and just give you a report of what is the problem without any fixing, labor, and part replacement. So I was able to go to AutoZone and have them read the error code and find the replacement part based on the error code and purchase it for half the price, only $93. And then $14.99 for the special socket. Okay, I have taken the car out for a 15-minute test drive, and so far the check engine light remains off. I also went to AutoZone and have them reread the error code, and the oxygen sensor air is no longer coming back. So everything's now fixed. Thank you for watching.